Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the CPR indicator for MT4. You can download this indicator by the link in the description below. To run the indicator, simply drag the CPR indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart. And please, don't forget to click on the Allow Daily Imports in the settings window. The CPR, or Central Pivot Range, is an advanced pivot indicator that provides technical support for daily price level analysis. Technically, CPR works in a similar fashion to the original pivot points indicator, but it brings a new idea of identifying the critical price levels by using top, bottom, and central pivot points on the chart. Moreover, it also demonstrates a series of support or resistance lines based on daily, weekly, and monthly price actions. So how to trace CPR indicator? The CPR compares three pivot levels: central pivot, PV, top central pivot, TC, and bottom central pivot, BC. The central pivot helps you to assess the bullish or bearish sentiment of the price. For instance, the price holding its position below the central pivot level indicates a bearish momentum. At this point, you may prepare yourself in advance for a possible upcoming sell opportunity. Both TC and BC levels helps you to determine in which direction the price is heading based on the current market sentiment. For example, the price turns higher than TC means the asset is under immense buy pressure and most likely to move north. So triggering a buy order in this situation could enable you to get maximum benefit from the current bullish momentum. Furthermore, CPR plots a series of support and resistance lines surrounding the central pivot level, which you may use to anticipate profit targets and stop-loss positions. The CPR indicator is fully customizable and comprises a large scale of options in its settings menu. Pivot point time frame. You can choose the time frame you want to use calculating the central pivot ranges. Hide labels function. Enabling this feature allows the indicator to show additional information about each pivot line. Show one daily 2 Fibonacci pivots. It determines how many Fibonacci pivot levels you want to see on your MT4 chart. With margin price. Enable or disable the indicator to show margin prices at top and bottom central pivots. And line labels include price. You can select true if you want CPR to include a price label with each support resistance line. The CPR indicator represents a simple way to make you best use of pivot points. It is a helpful tool for technical traders, especially beginners who find it complicated to determine the daily support and resistance levels manually. However, pivot lines alone might not carry enough information for executing an order. Therefore, using additional tools like trend lines and moving averages along with CPR might bring you the maximum benefit of using pivot points in MetaTrader 4. Moreover, you can download the indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye!